Hello friends, good morning and good evening everyone. Today we'll have a short demo on what is database, what are the job roles and career options, and then we go for questions in this live program. You can test your questions from YouTube or Insta, whichever platform you logged in. Please text your questions. Let's get them addressed in next few minutes once I complete my introduction today. This is Sai Phanindra from SQL School. I assure you practical classes from scratch from the basics. In this short live webinar, let's understand various job roles in database. Let's get started. What exactly database mean? It's a platform. Database is a platform to store any type of data. Today's agenda will understand more about the database, types of databases, and we need to learn about DBMS to understand the job roles. Let's get started. Database. A platform to store any type of data, any amount of data, no exceptions. Any project in IT needs database. Any project, we need to store data, so we require database. So database jobs are the safest jobs in the IT market. Using database, we can store huge volumes of data. We can store unlimited amount of data with AI implementations. There are various types of databases. Basic types include OLTP, online transaction processing database. Number two, data warehouse, to store live real-time data. And from here comes job roles. Developers will be involved in OLTP design and data engineers will be involved in data warehouse design. Data analysts for reporting and dashboarding activities. Administrators, common for OLTP and data warehouse. They are everywhere. Admins, DBA job role. At our SQL school, we provide you the practical step-by-step approach to all concepts pertaining to OLTP and or data warehouse, whichever stream you are planning for. We'll guide you step by step from scratch with DBMS, Database Management System software installation, implementations, on-job, off-job activities. On-job means technical items. Off-job is a process-related items for your job. We have something called SLA, Service Level Agreement, OLA, Operational Agreement required for any kind of engineering and admin job roles. For developers and data analysts, we have something called sprints, work items, etc. So technical, non-technical, both items we need to balance in our job work. And at our SQL school, I assure you all these items in a single learning plate. And what else? Make sure we do on-time practice throughout the course. Either you may opt for OLTP, developer, or data engineer, or analyst, or admin, any kind of database job role. Yes, make sure we do on-time practice for best results. For active learners, we have a dedicated community wherein we provide free monthly webinars every month for active learners. So our relationship is not a one-time activity. You join us for one course and you enjoy free monthly webinars forever. Forever means like as long as I am available. Truly speaking, it is a good option for all of us to stay up to date in the growing demands of IT market. At our SQL school, we provide you the practical touch on job as well as project orientations, mock interviews, and job assistance also. Over to you now for doubts, clarifications. Any questions, please do let me know. We'll take it from there. Either you may opt for MS SQL course or MySQL, Oracle, Postgres, Amazon, Azure, Fabric, Power BI, Tableau, anything related to data, we have a course for you. Over to you now. Questions, please. I'll stay back. Yes, questions, please. I'll stay back. Let me check the comments in case. Yep. Let me check for the comments now or the questions so that we can get them clarified. Yes, I'll wait. I'm just waiting for the questions, if any. I'm waiting for the questions, if any. Let's wait. Let me check the questions. For some reason, I'm not able to see them from my mobile. Yes, I think I got it. Let me check it. Yes, I got the link. Let me just check it now. I got a question over here. Sir, I'm confused between cyber security and data field. AIML and cyber security, but no jobs for this data field career options. I understood now. Let me just clarify your question. Well, I could see someone called Vlog Diary posted the question there. Very simple. See, cyber security is all about network level, data level, application level. So security comes at application level, data level, or overall network level. There are good number of job roles for cyber security, but preferred for experienced professionals. If you have some solid experience in database platform, usually administration side, you may opt for cyber security. And nowadays, cyber security has a lot of automated tools also. So rethink before you make sure you choose the correct platform within cyber security. Maybe you can go for data security or application security or network security, or even you can do AI based security within cyber security platform. There is a new certification as well for it. But make sure you choose a correct one because there are automations going on. If you go for something like data analysis, data engineering, or AIML, those are evergreen platforms to my experience. So I strongly recommend you to choose something that has more solid foundation with long-term benefits. You can definitely go for AIML if you are fond of programming. If not, you may do data engineering or data analysis initially. Later, once you gain some experience, then you can definitely step into cyber security later. With solid technical experience on data platform, then cyber security within data platform would be of good use. Application level security, cyber security has automated tools. I mean to say, let me just put this way on my screen. Let me just explain in a simple way. I'll just take you to Yes, here it is. I'll just take you to my uh, items here. Just wait. Yep, here it is. Coming to the cyber security, you have a lot of platforms on my screen. Here it is on my screen. And yep, here we go. The application security is nowadays getting automated. So if in your place, I will not choose it because of automations in applications. Either you go for network level security or data level security. If you are a DBA or a data engineer, then data level security is really good. If you are into system admin or storage admin experience, then network level security is really good for you. So my suggestion, get some hands on database technologies first, then go for cyber security next. Or or if you are fond of programming, you can directly go for AIML. It has good market and great job prospects right now. There are calls, but at the same time we need to make sure we do our best in our learning process, interview room, and the job work. Next question please, I will wait. Yes, vlog diary. I hope you got the answer. Please let me know. I will wait. And I could not find any Insta messages here. I'm just checking my WhatsApp. I'm not sure. I'm having some trouble identifying the Insta messages. Let me just log in from my browser to verify the Insta messages, just in case. Yep. Any more clarifications or questions, please? Yep. I think, yeah, I'm able to get my Insta here. Yeah. Any questions or clarifications? Let me know, please, for your job related or career related items. Glad to assist you. Yes, please. In the meantime, I'll open the other end-to-end diagram I was showing you. Please to open it once. Yes, so here we go. So this is the end-to-end implementation model. Any more questions, please? I'll wait. I got two questions on Insta. Let me access my Insta once. And in case if I have any further questions, you can also give it to me on WhatsApp as well. I'll share you my WhatsApp number here, just in case. You can also WhatsApp me now or after the call. It's my +91. Just in case. This is my WhatsApp number. put it in a bigger screen. Yes, this is my WhatsApp number in case. I got a question. Nowadays, we are having many institutes in the market. What are the add-on benefits that I can get in your institute? It's not about add-on benefit. It's about the actual benefit. See, something like this. You order a pizza and say like, what else you get apart from pizza? It's like extra cheese. No, the dough itself should be, the dough used for pizza should be quality, right? Quality and taste, both are important. So, of course, when we say like add-ons, yes, we have active learner group wherein we provide free monthly webinars, but not for everyone, for active learners. We have everyday assignments in our classes. I'm a bit cautious about it. Everyday assignments. And you need to, write your observation notes every day during the class. Only keywords and WhatsApp me after the class in our online session. The class notes will be sent in advance. You need to take a print copy of the notes. Additionally, you need to also give WhatsApp message of your notes, everyday notes. Let me show you what it is. Let me show you just to make it clear. For example, on my screen, every day you will be ready. By the time you come to the class, you'll be ready with print copy notes. For example, something like this. We have installation. Every concept will be in detailed. You need to take print copy of these notes. The class notes will be sent after registration. Immediately after registration, you'll be getting one bundle pack. You need to take print copy of all the concept-wise notes. Keep it on the left side of your computer. Right side, beside your mouse, you need to have an observation notes, something like this. An observation notes with a pen. So that you are writing your notes and also submit after the class every day. So here it is, something like this, just to get some idea. Just to get some idea on my screen. I just wanted to show you. Okay, here it is. Few of my recent students' notes, something like this. So if I care the subject during the class, you care the subject during and after the class, together we can surely win the game. Such participants who are interactive in the class will get more assignments and also access to our free monthly webinars. For example, today we had a webinar. Today morning we had a webinar. Today morning 8 o'clock for this month. Again next month we had next webinar later next week or July first week. That's how we do. Hope you got my answer to the question. Any further questions, let me know, please. I will wait. Any more questions, please let me know. I'll wait. Any more questions, please let me know. I'll wait. Please ask me something. I will wait. And you have my WhatsApp number just in case if you have any further questions, you can always send me a WhatsApp. I could see one WhatsApp message just now. I shall reply there anyway. It's regarding some job activity, job support. Yes, we do provide job support as well. In fact, like I do provide job support for Azure and Fabric. We have separate person for Power BI and one more for Oracle. As on date, we have these four technologies only for job support: Oracle, Azure, Fabric, and Power BI. Any more questions, please? I will wait. Fine. Next, we had a free community, free WhatsApp community. In case if anyone planning for joining the community, in case anyone interested to join the community to enjoy the latest interview questions on Microsoft SQL, MySQL, Oracle, Postgres, Amazon RDS, any data stack. If you're interested, please WhatsApp me on this number. I repeat, anyone interested to join our interview channel, WhatsApp interview channel for data related interview questions, data science, data analysis, database admin, data engineer, database developer, database tester, anything. Just do let me know. We can add you to the channel. You'll enjoy the latest interview questions. Any more questions, please? I'll wait. Yes, please. Any more questions, please? I'll wait. Let me just double check once again from my computer in case of any further questions. I got someone called Me Creator. If everyone followed the same education path, how can anyone stand out in their career? You follow the same path, but person to person, their backgrounds are different. Learning process may be different, right? Their communication skill set may be different. Their education qualification can be different. And the type of companies they apply for may be different, right? I'm sure all batchmates may not be in the same interview room. Hope you got my answer. So let's do our best during the course and expect the best after the course. Yes. Any more questions, please? I will wait. Any more further questions? Let me know, please. I'll wait. Siddharth, I have seen your WhatsApp message, Siddharth. Sure, I'll reply you. We'll do one-to-one talk. Anyone looking for career guidance, we can have one-to-one talk. So I'll just give you my message here. So I'll say, please reach me on okay, and glad to assist you. You may also refer to my YouTube channel. I'll just give it to you here. Can success truly be measured from educational qualifications? Well, like success can be measured from education qualification also. For example, I am from IIT Roorkee. I did my MTech in IIT Roorkee. So what made me to go to MTech? Based on my technical skill set, right? It depends. Sometimes yes, may not be always. Well, anyway, we are into IT profession. So talent is important. Sometimes qualification is also important to make sure we have proper basement for the talent. That's why in job market, we see like bachelor's degree, master's degree, etc. Even client also expects us. So talent comes from degree, talent comes from exposure, talent comes from experience, and vice versa. So we cannot leave the other one. just for the sake of the first one. Yeah, well, so apart from such hypothetical questions, any other technical questions, please let me know, friends. I'll wait, please. I'll wait. Or you have my WhatsApp number anyway. We can discuss further about it. Next question, please. I'll wait. Great to see nice number of attendees online. I'm waiting for questions now. Let me double check my YouTube in case of any questions. We'll see further questions if any. Yes, friends, any questions or any clarifications regarding your job, profile planning, or any kind of doubts, clarifications, let's communicate. I shall wait. So, MA creator, hope you got the answers to your questions. Next questions, please. I will wait. Any further questions, please? I will wait. We planned it actually from 10 to 10:30, but I can wait for some more time. If you have any questions for me, please let me know. Let me track my Insta again. Someone called AI gods. Is education a tool for growth or a trap built to control what we think and how we behave? Well, none of them. My experience, none of them. Education is our life. I'm not sure if you are married or not, but once someone is married, they have kids, they send their children to the school, right? Maybe they have to ask the question at that time. Education is not a tool or anything else. It's part of our life. It's air, the food, the water, and everything for us. So don't see education like an income generation machine. Education is for knowledge. Money comes automatically, that's fine. As long as we are genuine, God is there to bless us always. Trust me. At SQL School, we never provide any fake interviews, fake certificates, proxies. Never, never. We did it for last 19, almost now. We'll be celebrating 20 years, in August. You check my domain, you check my contact number or SQL School in Google, you see our trainings, my videos, lot of stuff. We never do any such kind of fake interviews or proxies. Nothing, not required. As long as we get the subject, win the knowledge, we no need to get any other kind of thoughts. Any more questions, please? I will wait. And I could see more number of Insta users here instead of YouTube actually. Anyway, anything is fine as long as we get the correct questions and the right answers. I request you to go through my YouTube in case you are planning for something in your database skill set. Then I request you to go to my YouTube channel and check for the videos there. I think I can post it directly. And I can also send you my WhatsApp link for the interview questions. I'll send it anyway after the event today. I'll do. Any more questions, please? I'll wait. Visionary solutions. I want to shift digital to IT. shift digital to IT. Are you talking about digital marketing to IT? Please let me know. Visionary solutions. Please let me know. Are you asking me like you want to shift from digital marketing to IT? Please let me know. I'll wait. I am waiting for clarification to my question, please. Clarification to your question, please. Visionary solutions. Are you asking me the question? Do you want to shift from digital marketing to IT? Then it is possible. Yes. I'm not sure if my participant is able to hear me. Any questions, please let me know. Someone called B Talks. Thank you so much. Others, any question, please let me know. I'll wait. VCP Visionary Solutions. Please let me know. I want some clarification to the question, please. Help me. Working on AI. Okay, okay, got it now. Working on AI marketing tools. Got it. Understood. Uh, yes, the VCP Visionary Solutions. Thanks for asking the question. You are into digital marketing or AI based marketing. I understand. You can definitely shift into IT, but please be cautious. Please be cautious. So let me just put this way, okay? You are from non-IT, right? As you are from non-IT, so or anyone from non-IT, better to shift into something which is I must say like comfortable. Okay, that's important. See, comfort of the job is very important, right? Because a lot of things are coming up and going. Depends. IT job market, of course, no doubt, good salaries, pretty sure. But we should be up to date always. Anyone can work from anywhere. But we should be up to date always. Anyone can work right now. If you want to shift into IT, definitely you can do, no doubt. But which stream you would like to opt for? That's important. I can give you some suggestions. Few courses we offer, few other courses we don't offer. But let me give a genuine advice, a common advice. Okay, here it is. Number one, if you are from non-IT to IT, data analyst. Data analyst is the one of the preferred best options in the market. It has good scope and we can easily get into it. We can easily get into it comparatively. But of course, whatever puja we do, to expect blessings from God, right? We expect the blessings, not the prasadam. I mean to say, whatever technology we learn, make sure we do with all our heart. Commitment. Duty is God, work is worship. We need it. Even today, for all my previous students, I do conduct monthly free webinars. No one asked me to do, but I do it. And I hear their happiness. I can feel their happiness in the webinars. A nice thank you with all their heart. Enough. I mean to say that commitment is required, involvement is required for us. So yes, you can definitely shift into IT if you have that commitment, involvement, and trust on the technology. Data analyst is one such platform where if you are strongly committed, definitely you can do. Other important one, DBA, database administrator we call. I'll write it completely. Database admin or administrator. This job role also doing good in the market right now. But if you have more gap, if you have gap like say 3 plus 4 plus experience is what you are looking for, that kind of skill set, then you go for DBA. So data analyst or DBA. These two are the first level choices. Choose any one. If not, in case if you have some touch on the technology earlier, you're working on non-IT, but you are from some computers background, then you may do data engineer. Any of these three will work. If you want more information about it, please do WhatsApp me on this number, and we can have one-to-one talk regarding that. 9030040801. Okay, just in case. I repeat, this is answer to your question. If you have something else, let me know, please. We can discuss one-to-one on this number. You have this number in our website, sqlschool.com. Next question, let me check it out. Sorry for others making it to wait. I could see a few questions. Let me explain in detail. It will be easy for me. Next, Swapnil, I'm confused between cyber security and AI, which is high salary. Cyber security has high salary, but future proof AIML. Future AIML, salary, cyber security, Swapnil. Yep. Next, can a person with no degree but strong skills outperform a top graduate in today's job market? Yes and no. It depends. It depends on what strong skill set you have, how much strong it is, right? And the talent of the so-called top graduate in today's market. For example, when I was studying my 10th standard ICSE syllabus, 1999, I did my 10th class, and my class topper has only 78%. My sister was studying SSC syllabus at that time, and her class top is 95 or 96 at that time. We have seen in one newspaper also. It depends. The so-called top has a lot of variations. And you said like strong skills on which technology? It depends. So answer can be yes and no. Yes and no. As simple as that. Next. Yeshwant, I have worked previously in non-IT since 1 year. Not working. Can I get job as a fresher now? Data analytics engineering or analytic engineering? Yeshwant, I strongly recommend you go for data engineer. You can do data analyst as well. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. But you said like you worked in non-IT and since 1 year not working, right? So you have to fill the gap also. You can do analyst or engineer. My choice, engineer. Further clarifications or questions, we can have one-to-one talk. I can have more points clear for you. We can communicate on WhatsApp. Next, is there any course on AI with AI IT course? Yes, we do. We do have AI courses. I'll give the list here, brother, on my screen. Yes, the list of AI courses. Here it is. AIML, Power BI with AI, and we have Snowflake with AI. We do have these courses with us. Azure AI, we have separate 1 month course only Azure AI, and we have the Databricks with AI, separate certification is there, and we have AI Copilot, separate course, and we have Fabric AI with Copilot. These are the courses we do in our school. Same way, you might have other courses like Excel AI, Excel with AI. We don't have this course, but I hear that it's doing very good in the market right now. These are the things to name a few. Hope you got my answer to the question. Next, I have a few more items. Good to see nice questions. Really happy to answer them. Any question, no problem. No issues. Next, let's see one by one. Yaswant, you got the answer, and Visionary Solutions, you got the answer. Chandu, thank you so much for your valuable, what I say, the fuel or the valuable push-up in my answers. Visionary, got it? Great. Thank you so much for your update. And let's wait. I think you are done, right? Yeah. Any more questions, please? I'm scrolling, and Prajit joined. Prajit. Okay. Let me have a look at my YouTube once, in case if anyone has the questions from YouTube as well. I'll check it out. Yes, MA creator. Hope you got all the questions answered. If not, let me know. I'll answer them. Yes, anyone else who are yet to get answers to the questions, if any, please don't mind. Please post me again. I will answer them. Let me know. I'll wait. I'll wait. You can also reach me on this number, just in case. I'll say pin comment. I'll pin the comment there. Next. Any more questions, please? I'll wait. Fine. I had a great time with you all. We actually planned for 30 minutes, 10 to 10:30 a.m. India time. And good to see you like asking questions. Hope you got my answers. Any further questions, you can WhatsApp me or call me. I'll be available. You can also ping on Insta. And yep, I'll be online back next week. Take care. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Thank you so much, everyone. Great time. Bye bye. Take care. And next, I think actually there are questions there in the stream also here. Someone called Telugu Factory. Sorry. I think I missed this one. I got some questions here actually. 1 minute. Yeah. Let me answer from scratch. Okay, better. I'll do. I think Insta, I'm not getting up to date content. Ram Jampani, thank you so much. Thank you. Visionary Solutions. When was your next live? I need to suggest a few of my colleagues. Surely, I can post you separately. I'll do on Insta. I'll do. I'll do it on Insta. Just let me just take this one. I'll do. Okay, on Insta I'll be able to do. It will be next week anyway. Next week we can connect on next week. We'll do. Yeah. Next, I have some questions here. Hi sir, get answer, but sir, which is high paying and good future? We've got the answer, right? A good future AIML, high and more salary is cyber security. Next, LDK. Hi sir. Sir, your views on IoT and in future? Well, like, see, IoT is not a separate entity, truly speaking. For example, let me put this way. IoT is one of the environment that has to be usually. For example, you are a data engineer. For example, you are a data engineer. I just show you here. Yes. So when you ask about the question on IoT, I'll close the window. Yes, here it is. Yes. For example, you are talking about IoT. So I'll take IoT like this. See, the job market for IoT called Internet of Things, like IoT hubs and other things. They are all cloud computing. So IoT jobs, cloud computing jobs, data engineer jobs, both are all three are same. So I have to rephrase your question. Your views on IoT, excellent. It's all about data engineering and big data. Really good. In fact, in the recent past, we can see more number of updates in terms of data engineering, cloud computing, Spark clusters with IoT integrations. And we are getting good amount of leads for data engineering, Fabric, Snowflake, AWS, and Azure, Databricks, we have different kinds of IoT implementations. Damn sure, no doubt. Very good. But choose your technology carefully. Which IoT you want to implement? Is it Azure or Fabric or AWS or Databricks? You have to choose carefully. Next, someone called Telugu Factory. Is success more about what you know and what you and who know? Well, and why aren't we thought both? Well, like we are having technical item here actually, not non-technical. Okay, it's technical part. We'll have a separate live only for non-technical things. For us, at least for me, success means getting the depth of the technology without any side thoughts. Yes. Next question, please. I'll wait. Non-technical items, we can have a separate webinar, no problem. Yep. Any questions, let me know, please. You can ask me anything from the technology. I will wait. Database, SQL, Python, etc. Please, I'll wait. Next question, please. Oh, 11 o'clock actually I had a call, but I can wait for some time. This is from YouTube, right? Yeah. Got it. Any more questions, please? I'll wait. Fine, friends. Thank you and see you next week. I had a call at 11 o'clock. So please grant me leave. Please grant me leave. And we are meeting next week, 10 a.m. same time. 10 to 10:30 will do. Please grant me leave for now. Thank you so much. Any further questions or any unanswered questions technical for your career, please WhatsApp me. Thank you so much and see you next week. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you. Closing the window now. Grant me leave. Thank you so much.